would like to welcome everyone to be here for the grand launch of our Sunway Malls, the Dragon's Blessing, right here for this Chinese Lunar New Year. In 3, 2, 1. Dragon Guardians to stand closer. Can we have another round? I would like to welcome everyone to be here for the grand launch of our Sunway Malls, the Dragon's Blessing, right here for this Chinese Lunar New Year. So to those media friends who just arrived, you may just walk to the registration area and kindly register yourself. And to those who really got your wristband, feel free to walk around. As you get to see, we have the Golden Palace, in fact the Dragon Palace, right here for everyone for taking photo opportunity. There are a lot of Instagrammable places right here for you to take a nice snapshots. And also, to those who didn't have the wristband, this is the private event and I would like to get you all to visit here right after the launch. To all our shoppers right here, welcome everyone to the grand launch of our Sunway Malls, the Dragon's Blessing, right here for this Chinese New Year. Please give a big round of applause to our Dragon Guardians. And ladies and gentlemen, to all our media friends, a very good day to you. Gong Xi Fa Cai. I stand right here before you as the Emperor of our Dragon's Palace. Right here, we would like to welcome everyone to our Sunway Malls Dragon's Blessing Grand Launch. These 12 years in the Year of Dragon, as the dragon is our legendary creature that will definitely bring us a lot of luck, abundance and privilege. Well, ladies and gentlemen, right now it is time for me to pass the session to Mr. H.C. Chan, our CEO of Sunway Malls and Theme Parks, and I do believe Mr. Chan has a lot of things to share with you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to Mr. Chan.
Everyone, a warm and joyous welcome to Sunway Malls Lunar New Year celebration.
Together in 3, 2, 1. And open up the gateway, and now we have summoned the presence of prosperity dragons. These legendary creatures that brings abundance of luck, blessing and prosperity into our life. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a big round of applause. blessing is officially launched. Alright, so we have a total of 8 dragons to give you with the great dragon's blessing. For this Sunway Mall's grand launch. Everyone, eyes on the camera at the center. Sun